What if I told you this one simple trick can make your pulao taste like it's from restaurant? Begin by rinsing basmati rice in water until it runs clear of starch for 3 to 4 times. Next, soak the rice in enough water for 30 to 45 minutes. Heat 3 tablespoons oil or ghee in a deep, thick bottom pan. Once the oil becomes hot, add the whole spices: star anise, cloves, black cardamom, green cardamom, cinnamon stick, and bay leaves. Next, add cumin seeds or caraway seeds and fry for few seconds until they become fragrant. Add 1 cup finely chopped or sliced onions. Saute the onions on a low to medium heat. Next, add green chili and saute onions until golden. Next, add ginger garlic paste. Stir and saute for few seconds until the raw aroma of the ginger garlic goes away. Add 1 cup chopped tomatoes. Mix and saute for 2 to 3 minutes on low heat. Add turmeric powder, red chili powder, and garam masala powder. Stir fry for few seconds. Now add all the chopped vegetables. You will need about 3 cups of mixed chopped vegetables. Also add salt. Mix it well. Add splash of water and saute again. Cover and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on low heat. In a separate pot, boil water. Once it comes to boil, add 1 vegetable stock. This step is optional and let it boil for 1 minute. Now pour the boiled stock water into the cooked vegetable. Add the strained rice and green peas. Now mix it gently with the rest of the ingredients. To figure out if you have added the right amount of salt, check the taste of water. Add more salt as it required. Add coriander leaves and lemon juice. Mix it gently with the rest of the ingredients. Keep the flame high and cook for 5 minutes, by which most of the water is absorbed by the rice. Once the water is reduced, cover the pot. Cook on low heat for 15 minutes or until the water is absorbed. Once the rice grains are cooked, let it stand for 5 minutes, covered with the lid. Serve veg pulao, hot or warm, with raita. Simple rice, but every spoon feels like home. Try this vegetable pulao tonight and tell me, who did it remind you of?